Welcome back to the channel. Today, inside this massive pumpkin processing plant, thousands of whole pumpkins will be transformed into smooth.
Across thousands of acres, pumpkins are harvested at peak ripeness. This is where the journey toward canned puree begins.
Watch the alignment.
Got it, looks good here.
Freshly picked pumpkins are immediately transferred for transport. Speed helps preserve their natural moisture and texture.
Watch the forklift coming through.
We need another empty crate over here.
The harvest is organized into batches for traceability. From here, the pumpkins begin their journey to the factory.
Transportation is carefully timed to minimize delays. Freshness must be maintained from field to facility.
At the processing plant, operations run continuously during harvest season. This is where raw produce meets industrial precision.
Pumpkins are unloaded using controlled systems to prevent damage. Every movement is designed to protect the product.
Inside the plant, the pumpkins enter the first stage of processing. But before transformation begins, preparation is essential.
Large volumes are stored temporarily to maintain workflow balance. Timing is critical to avoid spoilage.
Each pumpkin carries traces of its origin in the field. These must be removed before processing can continue.
The next stage will strip away dirt and contaminants. This is only the beginning of a highly controlled transformation. The cleaning process exposes the natural surface beneath. Clean skin is essential for safe processing.
Check the flow rate on this overhead pipe here. Reading it now, looks stable.
Excess moisture is removed using industrial air systems. Dry surfaces prepare pumpkins for the next stage.
Pumpkins are sorted by size using automated grading systems. Uniformity improves processing consistency.
Before processing, pumpkins must be reduced in size. This allows machinery to handle them more efficiently.
Powerful blades divide each pumpkin into manageable sections. The internal structure is now fully exposed.
Seeds and fibrous strands are separated from the flesh. This step ensures a smoother final product.
Steam penetrates deep into the pumpkin pieces. This prepares them for the transformation ahead in the next stage.
Steam treatment begins to break down the pumpkin structure. This step prepares the flesh for full transformation into puree.
Heat evenly softens each pumpkin piece from all sides. Consistency here is critical for smooth processing later.
The plant operates multiple steam lines at once. Precision control ensures uniform heat distribution.
Once softened, the pumpkin is ready for mechanical breakdown. This marks the start of the pulping process. Heavy rollers crush the pumpkin into a uniform mass. Texture begins to transform into smooth consistency.
The pumpkin becomes a dense, flowing puree base. At this stage, structure is fully broken down.
The pulp is mixed continuously for uniform texture. Consistency is key for a stable final product.
The puree is transported through enclosed pipelines. This prevents contamination and preserves quality.
Fine filtration removes any remaining coarse particles. Only smooth, refined puree continues forward.
Consistency is tested to ensure perfect texture. Every batch must meet strict standards. The process now shifts toward filling and sealing. What was once raw pumpkin is now a fully processed puree.
The refined pumpkin puree now enters the filling stage. Every jar must receive an exact measured quantity.
Automated systems ensure perfect portion control.
Even the smallest variation is eliminated.
Multiple lines operate together to maintain high output. Precision remains consistent across every station.
Sealing begins immediately after filling. This protects freshness inside every container.
Vacuum sealing removes trapped air from inside. This extends shelf stability and safety.
Each jar is scanned for sealing accuracy. Even minor defects are detected instantly.
Mechanical inspection ensures uniform quality. No detail is left unchecked.
The product is stabilized under controlled conditions. This helps preserve texture and flavor.
Cooling ensures product safety before labeling. Temperature must be reduced gradually. Brand labeling is applied with high precision. Every jar is prepared for final packaging. The jars are grouped for efficient handling. Preparation for distribution begins here.
The product is now ready for final inspection and distribution. The transformation is nearing completion.
Every finished jar now enters strict quality inspection. Only products meeting standards can proceed further. Each jar is weighed with extreme accuracy. Even slight deviations are immediately corrected. Quality control runs across multiple parallel lines. Efficiency and precision work together here. Advanced imaging systems detect even microscopic flaws. Every jar is examined from multiple angles.
Metal detection ensures complete product safety. Contamination risks are fully eliminated.
The latest batch data looks stable.
Yes, temperature logs confirm we are within the target range.
Any imperfect product is removed instantly. Quality standards are strictly enforced. Approved jars represent full production success. Only flawless units reach final packaging. Approved products are prepared for final packaging. Protection is added for safe transport.
Each pallet is securely wrapped for stability. This ensures safe handling during transport.
The finished product now enters distribution storage. From here, it will reach markets around the world. The process concludes inside a carefully managed distribution warehouse. Every pallet is organized for rapid shipment.
Every shipment is digitally recorded before departure. Tracking systems monitor products throughout the supply chain.
Okay, bring it in slow. Watch the clearance on the left. Got it. Set it down gently now. Looks good. Tie it off.
Each shipment is sealed and documented before leaving the plant. Accuracy ensures complete traceability.
From the factory, the product begins its journey outward. Millions of consumers will eventually receive these shipments.
Retail distribution centers prepare products for stores nationwide. The industrial chain continues far beyond the factory walls.
The finished puree finally reaches retail shelves. What began in the field is now ready for consumers.
Few shoppers see the complexity behind a single jar. Yet every step depends on precision and coordination.
From raw harvest to refined puree, every stage is carefully controlled. Industrial food production relies.
The final product retains the color and texture developed throughout processing. The transformation is now complete.
What begins as a seasonal harvest becomes a carefully engineered food product. Inside